Oh hey there, you found us. Just a few tasty meatballs. Stick around if you want to learn how to make us. Get 1 kilogram of lean ground beef into a bowl, followed by 500 grams of Italian sausage. Make sure you cut the casings off the sausages. About a half cup of breadcrumbs, or even less, just don't add too much. Then about a cup of Parmesan cheese, about a tablespoon and a half of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of rosemary, then salt and pepper. I don't usually measure these ingredients, so I had to come back and add more. That's why the measurements don't reflect what you see here. 2 eggs, and a bunch of Worcester sauce to taste. Mix that in really well, you don't want any breadcrumb pockets. Pro tip, always cook a piece of your meat to see if you've got the mixture right. If it's too crummy, add some more Worcester sauce and anything else but breadcrumbs. Then on a parchment lined tray, form up your meatballs. I like making them big. Once that's done, get them into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you don't overcook them. You kinda want them looking like this when they're done. While they cook, get some oil in a pot on medium heat and toss in a whole chopped onion with some salt. Sauté till they start to soften, then add a chopped red pepper. Cook for a bit, then add a couple cloves of crushed garlic and a pat of butter. Once it's fragrant, add in 2 jars of your favorite tomato sauce. I like to use Classico if I haven't made it from scratch. Salt and pepper. Don't waste any of that sauce. Throw a bit of water in those jars to collect it and dump it in. Bring it to a light boil and add some fresh chopped basil. Then some bay leaves. Next is cheddar cheese. This is amazing for cutting acidity. Stir it in a figure 8 pattern. Finally, a good amount of parmesan, a 1/3 cup or more. Your meatballs would be done by now, so drop them into your completed sauce. And that's it. Simmer on low until you're ready to serve. Top it with some fresh parm and a little more basil. And you've got these delicious, crowd-pleasing meatballs.